A drone that's gonna fly around your place? I'm serious, that's a device that they announced. So we're gonna go over those two and everything else right now. So let's start with the Ring Always Home camera, which feels like it's almost an April Fool's joke, but it's real. It's a security camera and a drone that's meant to fly through your house on preset paths. But Amazon is saying the right things, that when it's docked, it's not recording and it's not gonna be spying on anybody, because while it's flying, it's gonna be making a little buzzing sound. It's $249.99, so it's 250 bucks. It's coming out in 2021, 1080p, and it's a really cool concept that I am flabbergasted by. Usually we have some idea of what they're gonna announce, but my goodness, drone camera. So in addition to the drone camera that flies through your house, Ring is announcing 3 different car products: the car alarm, the car cam, and the car connect. The car cam is fairly robust. It's meant to shoot both ways simultaneously, so it's able to see out the front of your windshield and back to record the cabin of your car, and then it'll automatically start recording if it senses an accident, or if you give a command that you're being pulled over, it responds and uses Amazon's Assistant, and so it can help you capture these events to the cloud without needing a whole lot of input on your part, and it is gonna require an LTE subscription. The Ring car alarm won't. It's just gonna be able to attach to a port in your car, and then if it detects someone trying to break in, like there's movement when there shouldn't be, it's going to be able to sound your car's alarms. The Connect is gonna bring these devices into an aftermarket device that's gonna plug into the mechanics of your car. Ring's partnering with Tesla on the first version of this, but basically it's gonna use the car's own systems to do similar functionality of the car alarm and the car cam. And Amazon's goal here is to work with car manufacturers to have all this stuff built in moving forward. To start, it's an aftermarket device. All right, enough about Ring stuff. Let's talk the actual Amazon stuff and the Amazon Echo. This is not one of the new devices. It's the Amazon Echo Dot that I just had sitting around here. But they did announce 3 new Echo products. The flagship Amazon Echo is getting a complete design revamp. It's spherical. It's gonna come in 3 different colors. It looks like a brand new device, and they're keeping the price point at a reasonable $100 while integrating some of that adaptive audio they were doing on some of their higher end smart speakers. There's gonna be a Zigbee hub built in, so your smart devices will be able to talk directly with your smart speaker. So it looks like they're bringing the higher end of their lineup and compacting it into this one device, and it's still gonna be affordable, so the new Amazon Echo seems like a pretty good deal. There's also the new Echo Dot and the Echo Dot with clock. There aren't a whole lot of details about these yet. We know that the Dot is $50, the Dot with clock is $60, and it looks like they're gonna, for the most part, have the functions of the existing Dot with clock, except that they're spheres now. Amazon's moving into the land of spheres for sci-fi reasons, I guess. I don't know, they look good, and the new design choice could help mix things up. There's also a kids edition coming out, and those look adorable with some like tiger skins. In addition to the devices, Amazon's rolling out a whole bunch of new functionality for the Assistant. I'm avoiding saying her name so I don't wake your devices. And speaking of the kids edition, Amazon is going to allow kids profiles now. So if it recognizes the voice of your child, it will respond with kid-friendly responses. So a revamp of Amazon's Assistant to make it smarter, in addition to a whole new Echo lineup with spheres. Neat.